So you're telling me the reason you brought me here is because the ugly girl with the scrawny boyfriend beat you in a 1v1?
No. First off, it was a 2v1, and besides, she shot me when I wasn't looking. But that's why I brought you.
Uh-huh. So how do you plan on finding them?
We're looking for her. Oh, it's my shopping list. Save that for later. We're looking for her.
Sorry, gentlemen. I don't speak English.
Looks like this is gonna take a while.
Hey, babe! I think they went this way.
I'm gonna kill you guys so hard right now!
Easy there, Rugrat. Can't kill a squad mate.
Squad mates?
That's perfect! They can help us find the ugly girl with the scrawny boyfriend. That's when he called me a right fool, but I was like, nah bro, I just rocket puns.
Good one, Austin. But on a serious note, guys, we really gotta be more quiet. I don't want to attract any unwanted attention. Stealth is...
Sorry guys, hope I'm not attracting any unwanted attention!
Great! Thanks to Leroy Jenkins over here, now they're gonna know where we are. Northeast 32, get the cover, get the cover! Somebody have any bandages?
You know what? I think I saw Jordan pick some up earlier.
No, nothing over here. Why would I have anything?
Come on, Jordan, just help us out.
No, it looks like you guys got it under control over there.
You're the reason we're in this mess. The least you can do is help.
All right, fine. Would you look at that? I scared him off. Holy shit!
Hey, help me out!
Where is she?
She didn't make it.
No, I have to!
You can't!
I caused this!
You can't! Alright, so I think we're gonna try to survive this. We should head up this way. A little bit more places for us to hide behind. Maybe a tree or something like that. What do you guys think?
No, I completely disagree. I think we should go straight into town and get this over with quicker. What's the point of dragging this out any longer?
You're the one who got us into this mess in the first place by being a little infant. Now we're gonna do it my way.
Fine. Suit yourself. Let's go, Austin. Come on, Austin, what are you doing? Let's go.
Actually, I think I'm gonna hang out with him. He's got the better gun.
Fine! I don't need you anyways! I have the better guns and muscles. Good one, Austin.
Man, this place looks deserted.
Yeah, it's like there's no signs of life.
Hide!
I only have a shotgun. I don't think I can hit me.
All right, that's it. Time to leave a scar. think we're kind of screwed here.
Let's find out what this thing does. Oh, Austin, did you see that?
That's right.
I would have totally done it myself. If I didn't run out of ammo, I would have He-Man'd the entire operation.
It's like, I don't get it. Like, we're literally sitting ducks. Like, I don't understand what he thinks we have.
Austin,
Nothing.
Austin, what is that?
I have no idea. It looks like it might be a gun
Or some sort of grenade.
I think these holes might actually shoot bullets out.
Listen, this is all we have, okay? And my first impulse is that it's volatile. It's gonna cause damage, so I say we use it on him.
Nick, you're probably right.
Then let's, what do you, do it?
Okay.
Hey guys! Oh, I deserve that.
Oh my God, Jordan, you came back.
Guys, I'm sorry about earlier. I came back to apologize.
Don't worry about it, kid. We got a fight to win.
All right, guys, there's a chest down the way. If we can get to it, we'll have a better vantage point and we could possibly get better weapons. I say we move out.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go! Move! Come on, Jordan! Let's go!
Why would they make a mag for one bullet?
Don't worry, man. I got you.
Stop, kid! I mean, Jordan, I'm not who you think I am, okay? I'm just a bad kid who puts other people down to make himself feel better.
Whoa.
The truth is I just wish I could be as good as you. I'm just dead weight at this point. Just go. I'll distract them. Go!
Did he make it? No. But he said he really enjoyed his time with us. And he really wanted to be like me. We'll talk about that another time.
We got good news and bad news. The good news, we got a homing rocket.
And the bad news?
There's only 2 bullets.
So you're telling me you want me to jump on the rocket after you shoot it?
That's right.
What?
All right, don't be scared, man.
I'm not scared.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, fire. Jordan, you're still on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
All right, last chance. Jump! Oh God! Ah!
What the hell? Looks like the tables have turned. You won't be taking the win from me this time. After all, I
I'm a sharpshooter.
What? What?
You have no idea how long I've been waiting for this moment.
Austin, you saved my life!
Looks like we finally did it, buddy.
Looks like you're gonna be the one dying this time! You! What? How did you... You're alive! How did you do... Nothing over here! Why would I have anything? Oh, right. The bandages I clearly left for you and didn't strategically hide. No, the ones I left for you because you needed them. Hey, thanks for saving me, and sorry I couldn't save your boyfriend earlier.
Jordan, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You weren't trying to kiss me, were you?
No. You were thinking about her, weren't you? You know, I still have one more if you want to go back one last time. I'll miss you, buddy.
I don't need this. I have everything I want right here.
I'm proud of you, man. You know what? Who needs that place anyways when we can get ourselves the winner chicken dinner, am I right?